Hello. When you try to install some software in Windows, if you see this message, that means you have the Windows S mode installed in your computer. So that means you only can install software from the Windows Store. So to solve this problem, you need to go to Start, and in Windows 11 settings here, in Windows 10 settings around here. So you click Settings, and then for Windows 11, let me go back to Settings. So for Windows 11, you won't see you can see the under the System activation is here. When you click Activation, you will see something like that. Let me show you the picture. So that's for Windows 10. If you click Activation, you can see switch to Windows 10 Home, because in my computer I already switched to Windows 11 Home, so it's I don't have that option anymore. So you will see under Activation, switch to Windows 10 Home or 11 Home. Then you click Go to the Store. After you click that, you will see it will automatically open Microsoft Store and switch out of S mode. So please note, if you not able to you will not able to return to S mode once you switch. So make sure you don't want to switch back to S mode. So after you click Get, it will show you your old site. After that, you can install other software. Don't need to go to the store to install the software. Okay, so hope you enjoy this video.